So there are two ways by which we can type in big letters using our keyboard. One way is by using the caps lock key, is by using the what? The caps lock key. Okay, so the caps lock key, when it's being pressed, it helps us to type in big letters. So if you press the caps lock key, there will be a green light that will appear on the keyboard. This green light indicates that the caps lock key is what? On. Now this is it. Once I press the caps lock key over here, this green light will on under this caps lock where my cursor is, that will indicate that the caps lock key is what? On. And once it's on, everything I type is going to be what? Big letters. But if I should still hit the caps lock key and the light is off, know that everything you type will be in what? Small what? Letters. In small letters. For example, I have this notepad program here. Okay, if I should hit the caps lock key on my keyboard, now I can type my name. It's all what? In big letters. Now I press enter to come to the next line. I hit the caps lock key, the light is off from my keyboard. Now let me type my name. Look at it, it's now in what? Small letter. Okay, so the caps lock key helps us to type in what? Big letters. Now the second way by which we can type in big letters is by using the shift key. But the shift key doesn't work alone, it works with the combination of keys. Okay, you need to press one other key for you to have it in big letter. So for example, I want to type N in big letter, so I'll hold down the shift key. Don't remove your hand from the shift key, keep your hand on the shift key and you press N. Once you press N, you have it as what? Big letter. You can keep your hand on the shift key while you press other alphabet. You see, everything will be what? In big letter. But immediately you remove your hand from the shift key and you press, it becomes what? Small letters. It becomes what? Small letters. So the two ways by which we can type in big letters is by using the caps lock key and the shift key followed by the letter you want. Now anytime we press the shift key, you keep your hand on it and you press the letter that you want to make what? Big letter, that you want to make big letter. Okay, now we also have other keys like the number keys. There are two sets of number keys on the keyboard. There are two sets of number keys on the what? Keyboard. Okay, well, we have the numeric keys and the number keypad. We have the numeric keys and the what? Number what? Keypad. The two sets of keys are being positioned differently. Now the numeric keys are found at the top part of the what? Keyboard, just right above the alphabet keys, right above the what? Alphabet what? Keys. Okay, so and how do I identify the number keys? It's very easy to identify the number keys or the numeric keys by the numbers on it. The numbers ranges from 0 to what? 9. Those are the what? That's the numeric what? Keys. Okay, that which means if we press it, it will give us what? Numbers. Now we also have this set of keys called the numeric keypad or number keypad. These keys works differently. Most people do use this key when they want to calculate using the what? Calculator, using the what? Calculator. But there's something about this number key. The number keys has something that controls it, like the num lock key. So you can see the num lock key here. Once the num lock key is off, the numeric keypad works like the arrow keys. Once the num lock key is off, this numeric keypad will work like the what? Arrow keys. But once it's on, this numeric keypad will be active. So anything I type will actually work from here. So I can do my what? Calculation once I have my num lock key on. Okay, now you might not see, not every laptop computer might have this num lock key. Okay, but desktop computers always comes with what? The num lock key. Now if the num lock key is off, the keys on the numeric keypad function as arrow keys because the num lock key is off. Now if you press the num lock key, you will see the light that will appear on the what? Num lock key, that will appear on the what? Num lock key. Okay, now another important key is the symbol keys. Now look at this, is a typical keyboard, but it has various symbols. Now you can see number 1 is having exclamation mark, key 2 is having @ sign, key 3 is having